Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to adjust line spacing in Word. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. So the line spacing can be changed for the entire document at once or for some part of the text. If we need to change the line spacing for the entire text, go to the Design tab and click the paragraph spacing button a little to the right. And here we select the required line spacing. To preview each line spacing, we can hover the cursor over it. Great about if we need to change the line spacing for some part of the text, then highlight a part of the text with the leftmost button, go to the Home tab and click the line spacing button in the paragraph section. Here we can make single line spacing, 1.5 line spacing, double, and so on. If you need a more precise adjustment of the line spacing, then click Line Spacing options, and in the window that opens we are interested in the spacing section. Here we can increase or decrease the spacing before and after a paragraph. A little to the right we can select the line spacing from the list for all lines of the selected paragraph, and if you need some specific line spacing you can select it in the Add field using the up and down arrows. As you can see, all line spacing changes are reflected in the Preview field. Additionally, in order not to adjust the line spacing every time, we can make the current line spacing setting the default setting. We click Set as Default and select all documents based on the normal template. And now, in each new Word document, the line spacing will be the same as you have set by default. It's all, now you know for more. Thanks for watching.